If you've ever wanted to create a sketch right in the middle of your design, there's an easy way to do that with Midplane. You can select two sides of any design and you'll get a plane right in the middle. The cool thing about the midplane is that it's not limited to parallel faces. So if I were to select this angled face and this angled face, it tries to create a plane right in the middle of those two. Same thing, if I select this top face and this face, it's still just gonna find a midpoint and place a plane between those two faces. And a few things to remember, when you create this midplane, you will get a visual representation that can be adjusted. Just remember that planes are infinite. They do go on forever. So even though it might be small, it still allows you to sketch anywhere where this plane might reach. Midplane is especially helpful when it comes to splitting bodies. Create a plane right in the middle, select your body, select the plane, you can split it right in half. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.